Thanks for clicking. This is an intro. I am introducing the Beauty and the Beast Project Pan. It's a Pantastic Ladies collab that was created by Rain. She is panning_goals on Instagram. She doesn't have a YouTube. I don't have an Instagram, but if you do, go ahead and check her out. This project is, of course, Beauty and the Beast theme. It starts today, November 13th, and lasts for a year. I have always loved Beauty and the Beast. One of my earliest memories was when I was 3. I threw a toddler tantrum because I wanted to watch Beauty and the Beast on VHS, but I couldn't because our copy was at the hospital with my brother. When I was a sophomore in high school, we did Beauty and the Beast, the stage musical, so I was a villager in that, and I've just always really liked this movie in particular. It's a favorite of mine from Disney. There's a list of 20 prompts. They are mostly characters. Rain left it open as to how you do this project, so it's kind of a roulette style, but you can work on as many as you want at a time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with 5 prompts. I went ahead and randomized 5 from the list of 20, and we're going to do this progressive style, so if I get to an update and I don't have any rollouts, I'm still going to roll something else in, so hopefully I'll get to go through all 20 prompts in the year. The first prompt I randomized is Plumette, and you might not know who she is because they never name her in the animated Disney movie. She is the feather duster that Lumiere has a few rendezvous with off in Corners. Even though they don't name her in that movie, Disney did a kind of a series of shorts in a movie called Belle's Magical World that was straight to VHS, and in that they called her Fifi. But then whenever they did the stage adaptation, she was called Plumette. So Disney has changed her name at some point, but that's what she's known as in the stage musical. And since she is the feather duster, she is something you haven't used in a while, so something collecting dust. And so I just picked the first thing that popped into my mind, which is this Dry Bar Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangling Spray. It's a great product. It works really well. I haven't used it in months, and I don't really know why, other than that I was using other products. But I have a goal to use this 20 times for Plumette, and we'll see how long that takes me. The second character I randomized is Mrs. Potts, and she was my favorite character when I was little. I thought the Britishisms were so cute and funny. But she's a liquid product since she is a teapot. And I picked this Jubal Naturals Bakuchiol Soothing Serum. It's still in the box. I've never used it. And this is a full size, but my goal is going to be to finish it. Here it is. The bottle's not all that big, even though it's full size, so I'm going to finish this for Mrs. Potts. My next character is Philippe. He is Maurice and Belle's horse, and so he, of course, doesn't have any lines, but he's still very much a member of their family, and he is a cruelty-free product. So I went ahead and pulled in my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This is a little sample. I do have some use on it from a previous project, but I'm going to finish this for Philippe. And then there is Gaston. Belle, of course, is always trying to get rid of her unwanted suitor, so he is an item that you want to get rid of, and it can be a sample, and in my case, it's a travel size. This is the Fenty Beauty Baby What It Do Setting Spray. It's all the way down here. I'll mark it, but my goal is going to be to finish this for Gaston. I do like this product. It is a dewy finishing spray. It does work, but I just want to finish it and get it out. The last prompt I got is actually my favorite on the whole list. I think it's funny and it makes me giggle. It's 6 eggs, an expensive item. So if you're not sure where that's coming from, the first song in the movie is called Belle, and Belle is going around talking about how she wants more than this small town life, and the villagers are singing some gossip about her, but others are just going about their morning business at the market. And so there's a woman who sings that she needs 6 eggs, and then the line after that is a different villager in a different conversation, and he's singing, "That's too expensive." So that's where that came from. I think it's funny. And so my expensive item is this Elemis Pro Collagen Quartz Lift Mask. This is discontinued, and I think I bought it in a set, so I don't think I got it at full price. But Elemis is expensive, so I'm going to finish this. This is an airless pump, and right now that pump is there. So I'm going to try to finish that for 6 eggs. So there's my intro. As I said at the first update, I'm going to be rolling in something whether or not I meet any of those goals. We'll find out. Good luck with your projects, and I'll see you next month. Bye.